Momo.
Yeah.
Where's that gun that Kiki gave you?
Oh shit.
Vinny.
What? Why did you give a gun that the guy told you give to me? You go and give it to Vinny. I don't
Hey,
understand.
Mr. K.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you're fired.
I didn't give it to him.
Fuck you.
Coming to the garage.
See, Momo, you're making me look bad because he thought it was given to me because we look alike.
Bro, you're fucking washed.
Oh, damn.
Why can't I use the elevator? Shit.
Who got the gun from Kiki?
He's go.
No, I didn't. I wasn't even at the cover.
It was Momo.
No, I think I'm too late. I don't want Vinny to help because I don't think he even should have helped us at the hospital. I want to get out myself. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Come here, Mr. K.
Don't you dare get on the elevator. No, come
Don't
here.
you dare, you motherfucker! Open.
Oh, you good?
I'm going second floor. I'm going second floor. I'm going medical rooms or whatever. Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here.
Come here, motherfucker! Put your hands in!
Go for cuffs.
Oh, don't you
No way,
oh,
no way,
No
no way.
way.
No way, you got me on the
Okay.
first one. No way. Hey, listen, that didn't happen, okay? Listen.
My turn.
Are you that washed?
Oh,
Oh, I can't fuck this up.
my gosh.
There.
He's helping him too, no way.
No, I'm washed too!
No, bud, you're next. You're next.
Stay the fuck away from me.
You're next.
Yeah, wait.
Going
what?
for cuffs.
Oh, Bird, don't you dare!
Bird? Dude.
No, I literally. You're a bitch.
Fuck me right now!
Hey, Bird. What's up, Bird?
You're a
You
fucking
bitch, Bird? What's up, you little bitch, Bird?
Hey, this is my right. Hey,
I beat
stop
those
it!
chests
Corner
when you
him!
do it.
Corner him!
Bird?
Corner him!
Hey.
Fuck you, bitch.
Get this motherfucker!
Fuck you, bitch.
I'm not getting.
God damn it, where's
Get back
all the
in.
officers? There were 10 officers! Where's
Hey,
everybody?
don't trip,
You're
motherfucker.
looking for it.
Get this motherfucker!
Oh,
Oh, you're lucky!
I was just saying,
Bitch. Bitch.
Help!
Come
I'm gonna try
here!
to escape from the hospital. I
Oh
don't know
my
what
god, where'd everyone
Yeah.
go?
We
Bitch.
got left behind!
Bitch.
No.
What the fuck?
Bitch.
Yeah!
Bitch.
God damn it!
Bitch.
That's my
You gotta leave.
sick fucking
Yeah.
Oh, off the top ropes. Where you going, bitch? Oh, shit.
Don't
Going for cuffs?
Mr. Caddy.
You're joking.
Get it!
Bitch.
Don't you motherfucker!
Bitch. Bitch.
You motherfucker!
Bitch.
Oh, that's it, Mr.
Bitch. Where you going?
Get
Get over here.
Motherfucker, help!
Motherfucker!
I'm tucking. I don't.
No, bitch.
Wait, you don't see me. I'm sneaky.
You're gonna re-cut it open.
You're next, Bustin.
Watch out, Bustin! Watch out!
Going for cuffs?
Going for.
Oh, got Jack's ass. Oh, he broke.
You motherfucker! Get me alive.
Bro, you good?
Going for
What's
cuffs?
going on here?
Come on, Bustin.
That's cops.
Go for caps.
Oh, wait, what?
You're next, Jack. Mother-
Watch it. Oh.
Going for. Motherfucker!
Ah!
Kick his ass!
Going for cuffs. Oh, sorry.
Going for kick.
Oh, no, we're good. We're good.
washed!
Oh wait.
You need to get chaos. He's all going to bed, bro. I'm not.
I'm going for
for
caps.
Them up.
You got him, Jack. You got him.
Did he try
Go
to go to jail?
Get in!
Probably. Let him
my
go
God.
to jail.
He's not radio.
Hey, man, I'm fucking shit.
Down for the blades.
What the fuck? Going for cops!
This is the slipperiest old man I've ever seen.
I have a bomb. I have a bomb. I have a bomb.
This guy's senile.
Who's taking it?
Howdy, how's these?
We got him. Yeah, yeah.
You cuffed him, Lion.
Wait,
Oh my
Creeper,
fucking
are you
God.
dead?
I didn't want to go to jail, but I didn't like how I got out.
Lion.
Wait,
Honestly.
did permission